I was able to get an exciting macaron QR code. So we're gonna box these. See what we get. Also, let's see which one. I already have coffee. I got this one like a couple months ago. That was the first Labou I ever got. So in replace of this Labou, I want this. So yeah, and also I want green grape, soy milk, sesame. So let's unbox them. Alrighty. Box number one. Let's see what it is. Okay. Ugh. Oh, they're in the new bags. Okay. And a little. I don't know why they made these new bags. Don't you just like the other ones better? These bags are blue. I'm gonna guess this one's a green grape or something. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna guess green grape. I got it correct! Oh, it's falling out. Yeah, look. I got the green grape card. Cool. I'm gonna put this box over here. Okay, first Labou. Yes. That's there. Which one should we choose next? I have a whole thing of here, like I have the whole collection. So let's go with this one next. Gray. Oh, it's blue. It's sea salt coconut, I think. Yeah, woo! I love this one. Okay. Oh yeah, the card. Also, a quick shout out. Oh no. I have the Have a Seat Laboos too. I have Hee Hee, ZZ, QQ, Sissy, Dada, and Bubba. I have the whole collection, and I actually duplicated Dada. So, I have the whole collection, and back there, those are my big into energies. So I have like every Labou except for the exciting one, but we're unboxing them right now. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I? Oh, okay. There's the other one. Okay, let's unbox the oh wait, the card's still in here. Okay, sorry, my dog's barking. Okay. Alright, let me take this box. Exciting macaron. Alright, come on. This is like the most popular series. I'm shocked I got a pack. Like, actually, okay. Oh, wrong side. Next box. Okay. Let's do this one. Four. Because there's 7, because the secret is one of them. But that's super rare to find, and I kind of doubt we're going to get the secret. Tag is taking a hard time to open. Oh no, we got toffee! I already have this one. Okay, that's a waste. Over lychee berry. You know, no one likes them. Except for girls, so I'm sorry girls if you're watching. Sorry to all the girls. Don't hate me. Or anyone, like honestly. If the pink's your favorite, sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, but everyone has I hope lychee berry is pulled last because I don't really like that one. But please be either soy milk or secret. No pink. No pink. Is this bad? It's soy milk! Oh, I love soy milk. She's the best. Yes, soy milk. Oh, wait, card. Soy milk. Wait, one more exciting macaron. It's gonna either be pink or secret. Please be secret. Okay, let's see. Okay, please. The card didn't fall out again. But please be the secret. Sure, flip through the holes. Does that look secret to you? Please don't be lychee berry. Like, no one likes it. Alright, let me check. No, it's lychee berry. Okay, she's still kind of cute, though. Also, these are real Laboubous. I got them off of Pop Mart. Okay. Yay. Alrighty, guys. Let me get all the ones here. No, dropping them all. Oh, okay. I got all of the exciting macaron Laboubous. Okay, let's see. Let me know which one is your favorite. Yay! I have all the exciting macarons. Alrighty, guys, that's it for today's video. What do we say at the end of our videos? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, amen! See you next Friday!